Welcome to Mystical Minds. I am your host, Jamie Gerard, and today I will be reading poetry and prose from Danny Martin Gerard. He's the author of the Poetic Cues trilogy. You can find his work at DannyGS.fortoday.com or Mystical Minds YouTube channel and podcast, co-owned with myself, Jamie Gerard. The Calling. You find yourself and your purpose by being noble, honest, and showing integrity. You find yourself and your purpose by giving as much as receiving. You find yourself and your purpose by forgiving despite the anger simmering underneath. You find yourself and your purpose by listening as much as teaching. You find yourself and your purpose by loving your opponent despite the chaos he created. You find yourself and your purpose by pausing to think rather than give in. You find yourself and your purpose by seeing the beauty in the mundane. You find yourself and your purpose by looking at defeat and calling it a beginning. You find yourself and your purpose by looking at the degraded and calling them winners. You find yourself and your purpose by being content when it's not your success. You find yourself and your purpose by showing humility rather than pride. You find yourself and your purpose by seeking growth, which is essentially who you are. And you lose yourself by being everything you're not and failing to realize who you are. Thank you so much, Danny G. That was powerful. And now, I'd like to take a moment with you for gratitude. So if you're able, please close your eyes and think about the good in your life right now. I am grateful for the beautiful weather. I am grateful for being able to go out and have errands to do today. And I'm grateful for my wife. What are you grateful for? Now, take a deep breath in and let it out. With love, thank you so much for listening and have a beautiful day.